Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing latest smartphones. The Huawei Mate X7, Galaxy C47 and Google Pixel 10 Pro plot. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Next compare display features. All three mobiles come with 8 inches display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Huawei Mate X7 is powered by the Kirin chipset, and the Galaxy C47 comes with Snapdragon chipset, and the Google Pixel 10 Pro Plus is powered by the Google Tensor G5 chipset. When it comes to the camera features, they offer two rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connected studio speakers, Bluetooth 6 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.